From the first moment I had to handle my situation with my ex narcissist partner, I put everything in a group message with him and his parents, which are his flying monkeys. I exposed exactly what was happening in writing and clearly providing proof of photos and videos and messages, bank statements, like anything, things that he was keeping from them. Narcissists are reactive. Their goal is to scare you, make you look bad, and make themselves look like victims. So he was keeping a lot of things from them. But if you keep your cool and communicate all in writing, you take away their power. Never argue face to face with them. Let exchanges like child handover be at school or with a neutral third party present so they can't lie. If you're dealing with the fly monkeys, these are people who believe the narcissist and gang up on you. Sometimes, unfortunately, even in front of a hard proof. Stay calm and respond in writing. Say something like, I'm following up in writing about what you said earlier. This is inaccurate. Here's the evidence, both photo, video, police report, what happened. Don't argue, just state facts calmly and professionally. You're allowed to tell your side if that helps with, for example, child handover, or if you have to keep somehow talking to them. If you can cut off altogether, that's what I advise you to do. But unfortunately, if you're children with them, that's more complicated. So remember, they will believe what they want. Your goal is to focus on your end goal, which is your child health and safety, or the objective at hand. Remember, narcissists and fly monkeys will try to frighten you with a lot of fear tactics, but you have to document everything and you cannot be silent. You always have to go and report everything and seek professional guidance. They might underpay your child support, break promises, and always break the law in some ways. Once you have leverage, use the leverage strategically. It might seem harsh, but this is how you protect yourself and win against them. You protect your child and get rid of the fly monkeys. This is the key. Write everything, stay factual, stay calm, and use your leverage. Any leverage you have, use it. They frighten you, frighten them. I know it seems horrible, but just do it from a place of freeing yourself. This way they will learn it's not so easy to screw with you and they will leave you alone. Okay, guys, I hope you like these videos. It's a lot. I'm sure I'm gonna get some bad comments about the leverage situation, but I do believe sometimes you push up to your limit, and in some extreme situation, you have to have some extreme tactics. So I understand it's not for everyone, but if you've been where I've been, you need to hear this. So I hope you're okay. And if you got any questions, please drop them in the comments below. And until next time, take care. Bye now.